Hi, good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing fine. Okay, this week we are going to revise what we have learned so far. So this class will be a revision class. Okay, it will be very similar to the progress check that we will have very soon. Okay, so let me start sharing screen with you, please. Okay. Um, So we have activity one, yes, is an activity that you have to do before Zoom classes, okay? You will see that this class is divided into sections. This is the grammar section, okay? In activity one, you have to complete the sentences using the past simple or past continuous form of the verbs in brackets, yes? Good. Remember, in general terms, the past simple is used to talk about a complete past action, whereas the past continuous is to talk about an action that was in progress, right, in the past, and that is unfinished, okay? Activity two. In activity two, this is an activity that we will do in Zoom classes. You have to read the advice for an actor on a film set. Rewrite the advice using one of the verbs in bracket. This has to do with the modal verbs. Remember, must, have to, don't have to, okay? Activity three is an activity that you have to do before Zoom classes. Yes, you have to complete the comparative sentences so that they are true. Use the correct form of the adjectives in brackets and add any other necessary words. Okay, remember in order to form the comparatives, or in order to form comparative adjectives, we need to add the ending er to the adjective. In the case of one syllable adjectives, in the case of two or more syllable adjectives, we have to use more plus adjective. Okay, remember to revise all these topics before working with the activities. Okay, activity four is an activity that we will do in Zoom classes. Okay, this is the vocabulary section. Okay, you have to replace the simple adjectives in brackets with extreme adjectives. For example, exhausted, terrified, yes, amazing. Okay, the first letter of each extreme adjective has been given. Okay. Activity 5, we'll do it in Zoom classes. This is the use of English section. You have to read the text. We will read the text and complete the gaps from 21 to 30. Okay. Circle the correct answer, A, B, or C. Okay. We have worked with this type of exercise, so this is familiar to you. In activity 6, of course, we will do it in Zoom classes. This is a listening comprehension activity. You have to listen to 5 people talking about extreme sports. Yes, that we have talked a lot about extreme sports during the past classes. You have to match the speakers 1 to 5 with the statements A, E. There is one extra statement. Be careful with that. Okay, watch out. Activity 7 is an activity to do after Zoom classes. It's a reading comprehension activity. You have to read the text and choose the correct answer. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, activity 8, sorry, is also an activity that you have to do after Zoom classes, and this is another vocabulary section in which you have to read the definition of natural disasters and write the correct words. Remember that we worked with natural disasters. We talked a little bit about natural disasters. Okay. In activity 9, this is another vocabulary section. You have to do it after Zoom classes. You have to complete the sentences with the word given. There is one extra word. Don't forget that. There is one extra word. Okay. And finally, in activity 10 that you're going to do, of course, after Zoom classes, so you have time to do it, is a writing activity. Yes. Imagine that you have seen this advertisement or advertisement below in a newspaper. Write an invitation to your English-speaking friend Sam. Okay, remember to include what the event is, the date, the time, and the place, and instructions. Okay, so you read the advertisement or the advertisement and you write an invitation, right, to a friend. Okay, so that's all for this week. Okay, if you have any questions or doubt, please contact me via WhatsApp or in Google Classroom. Okay, so we keep in touch. Thank you very much. I hope this class was useful for you. Bye-bye. See you. Bye.